Welcome to another one of our Bluebeam Me Up how-to tutorials, brought to you by Brighter Graphics Limited, where we show you how to maximize the potential of your investment in Bluebeam Review. Brighter Graphics are the oldest established Bluebeam partner and your premium Bluebeam solutions provider. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to show you how to use the Links panel in Bluebeam Review. The Links panel is another place that lets you add links to your drawings. You might not see that it has a set of links at first glance. Open the Links panel on the left. Here, you can review, modify, and delete hyperlinks all in one place. It also features any places you may have set up in your document. You can see under the Hyperlinks section, there are two links under the top-level Organizational tab. Click on the link icon to create new links, and this will give you a crosshair cursor to draw a hyperlink box on your document. You can also edit the links action from this icon in the Hyperlinks section and search through your links for relevant information. This is especially useful when you have a lot of links. Should you need to delete a hyperlink, right-click on it in the panel and select Delete. We will click on the A601 link. All links on the page are highlighted and the selected hyperlink becomes editable. You can actually modify the hyperlink's control points if you wanted to make it a bit larger or smaller. When not working over an existing hyperlink, the crosshair cursor appears, allowing you to add more hyperlinks. Right-clicking on a link in the panel gives you another place to edit as well as that delete option. And then the option to lock the hyperlink to prevent changes. Anytime you're adding a hyperlink over text, Review allows you to select that text with the cursor and add a hyperlink to that exact text. You can add hyperlinks in a similar way by going to Tools in the menu bar, then Hyperlink. Define the parameters of your link and click OK to add it. Hit Escape, and now that you're no longer editing hyperlinks, you're able to click on them. However, there's no visual cues that there are hyperlinks on the page. By default, hyperlinks are only visible while editing. You have to mouse over them to see where they are when your cursor changes. Or use the Links panel. With the Links panel open, you can right-click on a hyperlink and choose Properties to edit it. Under Appearance, select Visible to show the hyperlink and assign visual properties like line color, width, and style. Add a red color, and select a line width of 3, and a style of underline. Like with other markups, you can set this as the default properties for all hyperlinks by clicking Set as Default at the bottom of the panel. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video useful. You can visit our website, www.brightergraphics.com, for more videos in the how-to series and all things Bluebeam Review. We at Brighter Graphics welcome your feedback to help us to improve.